Welcome back to our poem series, poem written by authors of Manipur. Today I'm out cycling. I just did 10 miles and I'm taking a break. So we are on poem number 5. Poem number 5, which I have picked up, is written by Khaidem Pramodini Devi, one of our founding woman writer in Manipur. She was one of the 3 founding members, the first 3 women who have started writing in Manipur. So really happy to have found this beautiful poem. The name of the poem is I Cried. Originally it was written in Meitei Ai Kappi. It is translated by Dr. C.H. Sheila Ramani, and I have taken this poem from the book Tamna. It's a journal. It was published in January 2016, Northeast Writers Forum, Manipur chapter. Tamna was one of the journal which I got from Pabung Tombi. So thank you, Pabung, for sharing the English version. Ai Kappi, Khaidem Pramodini Devi, translated to English, I Cried. It is translated by Dr. C.H. Sheila Ramani. I cried and mourned mutely and poured tears endlessly down my heart at the thought that I could not be by your side. Without blinking my eyes, I watched your bed. With much pain and deep love, I watched your loving face of lotus. At the moment, excitedly, I felt the passion of love. Never shall I get it, nor will you. My thought held you closely. You laid your head upon my shoulder. At the moment, the pain of love went away. You and I streamed down together in the waters of love of the dreamland. So that is the poem, I Cried, originally written by Khaidem Pramodini Devi. It is translated to English by Dr. C.H. Sheila Ramani. When I read this poem, I feel like reading the Manipuri version, and I hope that Ima, I'm requesting you, please read this poem, Ai Kappi Khaidem Pramodini by Khaidem Pramodini Devi. So everybody have fun, have a good weekend. Let me show you where I am right now. It's a beautiful place. As you can see, a lot of people are cycling and taking a walk. Thank you. Bye-bye. Keep tuning in.